SpaceX has released dramatic footage and still photographs of its Starship rocket floating off the coast of Christmas Island. The rocket has spent nearly 24 days at sea following its latest test flight from Texas. SpaceX says its recovery team has now guided the massive spacecraft to a location off the coast, where engineers will examine it before attempting to transport it back to the company's Starbase facility in Texas. Here's what happened. SpaceX footage of Starship floating at sea. After spending nearly 24 days at sea, SpaceX's Starship rocket has been recovered and guided to a location off the coast of Christmas Island. The company has now released footage and still images showing the massive spacecraft floating in the ocean as its recovery operation enters a new phase. SpaceX says engineers are on their way to examine the rocket in calmer waters. The next step will be to assess the condition of the spacecraft before attempting to transport it all the way back to Starbase, Texas. The Starship was launched from SpaceX's Starbase facility in Texas on 24 July. It was the company's 13th Starship flight test since 2023. The mission was designed to test several new capabilities, including the first suborbital deployment of new Starlink satellites from Starship. At roughly 400 feet, or 122 meters tall, Starship is the world's largest and most powerful rocket system. It consists of two major components, the Super Heavy booster and the Starship upper stage. During the flight, the Super Heavy booster powered Starship's upper stage onto a suborbital trajectory. Starship accelerated to around 16,400 miles per hour, or 26,400 kilometers per hour, approximately 10 minutes into the mission. The test was aimed at demonstrating how the spacecraft performs during different phases of flight, including its eventual return through Earth's atmosphere. But the booster did not have a smooth return. SpaceX said the Super Heavy booster impacted the Gulf of Mexico harder than expected. However, the company also noted that the booster managed to reignite more engines than during its previous unsuccessful return attempt in May. The Starship upper stage continued on its suborbital journey before re-entering Earth's atmosphere and ultimately splashing down in the Indian Ocean. The recovery operation now gives SpaceX an opportunity to study the hardware after the flight and gather valuable data for future Starship missions. The flight was particularly important for SpaceX's broader ambitions. Starship is expected to play a major role in the company's plans to dramatically expand Starlink and deploy large numbers of satellites into orbit. SpaceX also sees Starship as a key vehicle for future human missions to the Moon under NASA's Lunar Exploration Program. And beyond the Moon, Elon Musk's company has repeatedly positioned Starship as a spacecraft that could eventually support missions to Mars. Visual: recovery ship Starship floating near Christmas Island. For now, the focus is on recovery. SpaceX's engineers are heading to the spacecraft to conduct a detailed analysis in calmer waters. Only after that assessment will the company attempt to move the giant rocket back to Starbase, Texas. The recovery could provide SpaceX with another valuable look at how Starship's hardware performs after one of its most ambitious test flights yet. SpaceX's Starship program remains central to the company's plans for the future of spaceflight, from expanding Starlink to supporting moon missions and eventually reaching Mars. The latest recovery operation could provide engineers with crucial data as SpaceX prepares for the next generation of Starship tests.